all these eulogization about me, people outsider may think that this man is being flattered and he is hearing his own eulogization. But that is not the fact. It is the test, how they are receiving the message sincerely and they are expressing their feeling. So it is going to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. As it has come through the channel of disciplic succession, all these praises will also reach to Krishna through that disciplic succession. So it is not a personal thing. These things are required. Just like in the military training, they are taught by the officers in a different way, in so many ways. Similarly, this is also training of Krishna consciousness so that the feeling of pure consciousness will reach to Krishna. I thank you all very much for your improving in Krishna consciousness. And I am a sannyasi, you know. I came here empty-handed. So you are providing me, what can I do for you? I shall simply pray to Krishna. Another thing, that don't be satisfied that you have understood, that's all. No, this should be distributed. Just like in my old age, I have come to a country carrying the order of my spiritual master to distribute it. You are all young boys and girls. Take this message and distribute it. The whole suffering humanity will be happy. That is our mission. Thank you.
Amen.